Thiagarajar management has always been committed to making a positive impact on society. In response to the recent floods, they joined hands with the students of Thiagarajar College to extend a helping hand to those in need. On 19th of December 2023, a team of dedicated volunteers gathered at Thiagarajar College to pack 1,000 food packets. These packets were filled with food items to provide nourishment and sustenance to the flood-affected community. The distribution drive was carried out in the nearby areas, where the impact of the floods was deeply felt. The selfless volunteers, driven by their compassion, ensured that each food packet reached those who needed it the most. On 26th of December 2023, an additional 1,000 food packets were distributed. With each food packet handed out, hope was restored, and the community felt the warmth of support during these challenging times.